Hello students, previous class I have explained basics of bar graph and how to draw the bar graph. Now we have to learn the method and one by one in that based on the cell practice 15D. Already I have told whatever in this data handling chapter exercise 15A, 15B, 15C we will do later in half yearly, after half yearly. Before half yearly we have to do only on the bar graph, that is based on cell practice 15D. Okay. So whatever question are given in the cell practice 15D, in that question we have to draw the bar graph only. So first question I have already, just you see here in the first question in the book is given, just you read the question. During the festival season, the sale of the various gadgets are under given. Represent the above information by a bar graph. So, just you know, mixer is given 250, microwave 180, toaster 200, DVD player 260, iPod 50. So, these are the various number are given for various components. So, first of all, for bar graph, you have to draw one vertical line and one horizontal line. So this one y-axis is called vertical line and x-axis is called horizontal line. After then, we have to always keep whatever name is written, means component name, on the x-axis always. Okay. So various gadgets. So these gadgets are on the x-axis. And whatever number are given, you have to write down in the y-axis, and depends on which types of interval you want to take. That depends on you also and depends on number also. So here these types of number are given in the table. So I have taken interval as a 50. So 0, this one is y-axis. I have already discussed, this one is origin, means y also 0 and x also 0. So from 0 to 50, after 50 to 100, so 50-50 gap is there. 50 to 150, 150 to 200, 200 to 250, 200 to 300. So like that 50-50 interval I have taken. So like on this interval we have to write down the scale of the y-axis. So 1 unit is equal to 50 gadgets. So interval is 50, that's why I have taken here 50. Okay, now after then we want to draw the bar graph. So first component is given mixer. Mixer is how many are given? 250. So we have to draw rectangular box like this. Up to go 250, then draw like this. Okay. And then some design here. You want to shade or you want to some other design. Or you can leave as it is also. So write down here below, write down mixer, or you can write here in this inside also mixer name. So this bar graph represent the mixer, how many? 250. After that, next bar graph, this one is microwave. Microwave is 180. 180 means below 200, just below 200. So just I have taken here from here. First of all, for one component I have taken the length, this one, same length you have to take here also on the graph paper. Or be careful, this chapter, this graph you have to draw in the bar graph, means graph paper only. Okay. So just you take the graph thin sheet from the stationery shop and just draw this all graph on the graph sheet only. Okay. Then in exam also you have to draw in the graph paper only. Then it will be clear, or it will be able to understand it is a graph. Now, so each interval make here also same equal distance. Each component between has equal length, equal breadth is there. Same I have taken here also. So mixer, after mixer microwave is there. So microwave 180, so just you go up to 180, means below, just below 200, and then close the graph, means this one is rectangular box, microwave. After then Then go for next one is toaster. Toaster is 200. So we will go up to 200 and then close. So this one just you said here. This one is toaster 200. After that, next one is DVD. DVD player, that is 260. 260 means above 250, just above 250. So up to from here to go up to 260 and then close here and make design at 260. After last one is 50. iPod is 50. So we have to draw up till 50. Then make the design and then iPod. You have to write on your iPod. So if you draw the design as a similar way in each the bar graph, okay, then it will look like as a very clear and very beautiful. Then you can get good marks. That depends on your quality, how you are representing the data. So this is the graphical method to represent the data. Now, from what is the benefit of this bar graph? So you can see here in this bar graph directly you can by seeing this you can say which one has more cell, in which component is we have cell more. So DVD we have cell more because highest value. This graph has got higher, length is more. And then we can lowest is iPod, means this is very short. So graphical representation you can see directly without using mathematical calculation. Directly you can apply, you can say which component has higher value and which component has lower value. Okay. Now I want to explain question number 3. Second question you can draw yourself. Now I will explain question number 3. So just all of you read the question number 3. Which types of question are given? I think question 3 is given for different states, has different each state has different population are given. So we have to draw that data into bar graph. We have to convert into bar graph. We have to represent that data into bar graph. Okay. So first of all, just you read the question. So here in question 3, approximate population in lakh based on census 2011, 8 Indian states are given. For 8 states only given. Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal. So these are our population are given in lakh only. So you have to draw first of all x-axis, y-axis means vertical line and horizontal line. So question number 3. Listen carefully. Here this table are given. So you will draw this table on the bar graph in the graph paper also. Not in graph side. You have to draw the means lining side. Whatever lining side are given in the bar graph. In this side note. Just in graph side you have to draw the graph. And one more page is there in the graph paper. In that side you have to draw this table also. Okay. In the question, whatever question will come in the exam or anywhere. So we will do like that only. So first of all, I have done so much space. That's I will not draw this table on the board. But you have to draw this table. You have to write each component value in the table also. Now directly I will draw the bar graph here. Okay. So we will draw here x-axis and y-axis. So this one is x-axis. Okay. And this one is y-axis. So we will take state name on the x-axis and population we will take on the y-axis. So here we will write here population in lakhs, and here state. Okay. Now here these types of number are given. So which type of interval we have to take, then it will be clear. If you want, you can take in 100 also, 200 also, like that. So better it will go for 200.